In this video, I'll show you how to make a project on the PCS7 project. So first click on the step 7, open the PCS7 Simulink Manager, click File, click New Project Wizard, and you open a wizard here which you can create a new project. Click Next, just choose a random PLC that you got. In this project we are using the PLCSim, so it doesn't matter. I'll choose the AS4171H. This one, yeah. We're not using any CP modules. Click Preview on, and on the component view you can just check how it will look. It looks fine to me. Click Next. Delete these ones. CFC, SFC charts we can edit in ourselves later on. Take this because we want the OS server. Show the objects on the HMI systems and click Next. Give it a name here. Just give it testing. And click Finish. Might take a while to create a project. So after it has finished, just click OK for the SID registration. So we got two screens here. The components view on this side here and the plant view. So firstly on the component view we do the hardware configurations. So press CPU, sorry this one, I'll just take this view here, hardware. And you want to check this PNIO, ProfiNet IO. Double click. We'll have to make a network and give an IP address here. So if I go on to CMD, command execution, just type ipconfig, you can see the IP address for this laptop here is 192.168.7.2. So we will want the same subnet for this CPU here, so it will be 0.7 as well, say. But we can't use 0.2 because it's been allocated for this laptop, so we'll just use 0.3 for example, and we'll create a new network. We'll just name it Ethernet. Click OK, click OK, OK again. There we go. You have the Ethernet system here. We go back to this view here. Click the CPU. Click this button here, simulation on. We now have our PLCSim open. And if we go into back here, just press save and compile. Everything's fine. And download the CPU. Yep, 192.168.7.3. Okay, and now it's downloaded. Let's close it. Now we want to configure the OS server, the PC station here. Press PC, configure, untick this box here. You want to select this computer, the name of this computer. So if I go on to system, you can see the name of this computer name is ES. So just click ES here, configure. Press OK. You get this warning here because we forgot one of the steps here. We have to make the configurations. Press this here. We just search under standard schematic PC station, CP industrial Ethernet, and the IE general. I usually just use the latest version and just drag it in here. And the IP address will be the same as this laptop, so it will be 0.7.2. 7.2, because we want the HMI objects to show on this laptop here. Click OK, compile, and close it. Now right click, PLC, and configure. Take this box here, check this PC name, configure. It's OK. It's OK again. And we just wait. Okay, configuration completed. Now we have to go on to NetPro, this button right here. Let's press it. And you can see there's my schematic PC station and my PLCs. And you got the Ethernet, the 0.7.3 IP address and 0.7.2. Now we have to make the connections here. Just press WinCC applications, right click, insert new connections. We want S7 connections with the CPU here. Press OK, give it a name, I'll just give it HMI/1, IE general, CPU. Okay, now we have this connections here. We have to save and compile. Compile and check everything. No error. Close it. Now we have to import a program into the plant view. So in this example, we just implement a very simple valve. Just open and close valve. So click File, Open, Libraries. You want the PCS7 AP library, version 9.0. Open it up. You want the template, and then you should see valve lid. You can see there's all kinds of different CM's programs here. We got the motors right here, we got the PIDs, and we want the very simple one, the valve lid one. Let's copy it. Let's see this view here. Just paste it. Close this library here, go into the program, save and compile. Entire program, yes. there's no error. Close it, and we want to download it into our PLCSim entire project, sorry, entire program. Okay, yes. Still errors. To check whether it's being downloaded into our PLCSim, well, we want to run program here. We can just go onto this, click this button here, test mode, press the control key on your keyboard and just click it. And if you can see these yellow colors here, then you know it's being run, it's running. Uncheck this and close it. Now we have to compile the project. So right click on this, compile. Next, click this, connections. We want the TCP IP connections, not the name connections. Okay. Next, pick the trees. Yep, so it looks fine. Next, compile. And if this is the first time that we compile, it might take a while. Depends on the size of the project, but usually for the first time it will take quite a while. Compilation was completed without errors. Awesome. So just open the OS1 object here. We will open the WinCC Explorer. So first of all, right click, properties, operating mode, you want standard. Options, yeah, that's fine. Computer, right click on the properties. We want to use the local computer name, so it's fine. And on the graphics runtime, we want to take all these and untick the full screen. And then untick all the turn off because we want to move it, we want to minimize it, be able to minimize it, to close it. Okay, and then go into tech management, open, and on the TCP/IP, you should see all the because we got the FileFlint software here. You should be able to see all the FileFlint tags being forwarded to this WinCC. There you go, FileFlint being forwarded to the WinCC Explorer. And then we have the right click on here on the system parameters unit. We have to change this to PLCSim TCP/IP because we're using a PLCSim. Let's press OK, close it, and just refresh it by exiting it and opening it again. Right, just press activate. So to open the valve, press this down button here, unit. There we have the valve here. As you can see, we have a feedback error or a control error because we haven't specified the input-output addresses. So things like these ones, feedback open, feedback close. So the way to solve it temporarily is to go on this prompt here, switch on this simulation. And there you go. This is a FileFlint valve, so we can just open the valve here and then close the valve. And this is how to create your very first PCS7 project with PLCSim.